Traditional United States food can be very healthy when it is based on whole, natural ingredients. Beans, oats, seafood, vegetables, and fruits, prepared with simple cooking methods, form the foundation of a nutritious American diet. Health experts in the United States emphasize whole foods and simple preparation techniques, such as boiling, baking, and grilling, rather than deep frying, to preserve nutrients and support long-term health. Oatmeal, a traditional American breakfast, is rich in fiber and supports heart health. When topped with fruits or nuts, it becomes a powerful and nourishing start to the day. Beans and lentils have long been used in American soups and stews. They provide plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals, while being affordable and filling. Seafood, such as salmon, sardines, trout, and tuna, is a recommended protein choice in the United States. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, nuts, and seeds are common in American meals. These foods are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect the body. Many well-known American dishes can be healthy when prepared thoughtfully. New England clam bakes, succotash, bean-based soups, and vegetable-rich salads provide flavor without heavy processing. Choose lean proteins like seafood, beans, or poultry. Fill half your plate with vegetables, limit heavy sauces, and enjoy fruit as dessert for a balanced, traditional meal. By focusing on whole foods and simple cooking methods, traditional American meals can be both delicious and deeply nourishing. Traditional American foods, when prepared with care, can nourish your body for life. Subscribe for more healthy food insights and keep choosing whole, real foods every day.